Good morning, Tandrika. Have you
Morning, sir.
gone through the PPTs I have sent to you?
No, sir, I just opened my phone now.
Right.
Like, I just opened my phone.
I've seen right now.
Yes, I just opened my phone right now.
Yeah, right. The time when I send them to you is night to you, maybe. Getting resound.
No, yes, sir.
Right now.
Yes, I just opened my phone right now.
The time when I send them to you is night to you, maybe.
Sir, it's night to you, no, sir. It's night, no? You sent it to me yesterday night, no, sir.
Yes,
So it's morning for me.
I gave some questions to you last time.
No, sir. Last time we were discussing about the unit, sir.
Yesterday. Previous
Yes, sir. You gave me a few questions, but I couldn't do it.
was given to you.
Yes, sir. You gave me.
Yeah. First, let's have a Have you followed yesterday's Indian news?
Oh, yes, sir. I did. We had to.
Yeah, it is also same, which we discussed previously. Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
And we had introduction about this.
Yes, sir.
Have a look at this. Consider the sequence.
Of values 1.9, 1.9, and 1. And 2.1.
1.9, 1.99, 1.9, and so on.
Yes, sir.
2.1, 2.01, 2.001. So on. Given to a variable x.
Yes, sir.
These are the variables of x. It's very interesting to have matter like this. I think that there may be some options. PowerPoint presentation. Yeah, okay. The value of x in the first sequence are all less than 2 and approaching 2.
Yes, sir.
In this case, we say that x tends to 2 from left. And it is denoted by x tends to 2.
Yes.
We discussed the same thing.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next. To understand the limit concept, the function below is very much useful.
Yes, sir.
We used the same function. Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
That function is f of x equal x square minus 4 by x minus 2.
Yes, sir.
If the same function is taken by us. Yeah. If x not equal to, it is equal to x plus 2. You know how x plus 2 comes from this equation?
Yes, sir. When we factorize it with a square minus b square.
X minus 2 times x plus 2.
Yes, sir.
X minus 2 get cancels. Right. It's a graph. Do you remember we used the graph from Desmos?
Yes, sir.
And we found that there is a little, a small mistake in that software or in the graph. Actually,
Yes,
that graph, there should be a hole at x is equal to. There
Yes, sir.
should not be continuation
Yes, sir.
because that function is not defined at x is equal to. That's why the red mark shows there must be a hole there must be a gap on the graph.
Yes.
Yeah, we took only few values. That means 1.9 and 2.1, something like that.
Yes,
But
sir.
here they took many values. If x is equal to 1.9998, then f of x is 3.99998. That means
Yes.
if x approaches 2, then f of x approaches 4.
Yes.
The intention of giving this table is, the purpose of giving this table is to know the relation between x and f of x.
Yes.
See, if x approaches to, yeah, here the first n is for x values. If x approaches to, then f of x, it is very clear that if x,
Approaches 4.
yeah, if x is nearby to, and did you observe yesterday we also had a beautiful discussion on unit circle.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that was created separately is
Yes.
a video in YouTube. You might have seen it. You might have received a notification from YouTube. Unit circle lesson.
Yes.
Your voice is low due to here. Yeah, I think. Okay, I will increase volume there. Here. See, can you hear me loudly? That means clearly.
Yes, sir.
Right. But your voice seems to be slow. That means
Lagging or something like that, sir.
lagging. Voice
Okay. This
less
is
volume.
low.
Yeah,
Once.
there is also problem with the system also. Yesterday I found that the disk full. When I try to extract files, yeah, you know how to extract zip files?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and
So you can go to downloads.
yeah, tell now.
When you go to downloads.
Yeah, when I tried to download my system.
No, sir. The extract thing.
Yeah, extract. Yeah, it's very important.
Yeah, if you go to downloads and right click the file that you have to extract,
Yes.
it will say extract file here something. One second. It will say,
you try?
yes, sir. For my dual credits, my professor sends me the PDF that I can download, so I try it.
You know how to download them?
Yes, sir. So if you go to the folder, I can tell you, sir. Like the download folder.
Okay. Yeah, the problem is not with the file. The problem is with my system.
Yes, sir. We need to extract it from there, sir, because it's saying the zip thing. If you go to the download and click right click the file that you want.
Okay. Yeah, right click. And
It'll say extract here. Sir.
oh, it is easy.
Okay, and no, sir. Okay.
We can change its path. It's showing its path.
Yes, sir. And now you just have to click OK over there.
Okay, got it. Yeah, it is easy method. That's it only.
Yes, sir.
Oh. And at present we are limits. After that we will have differences. Yeah, the chapters are in alphabetical order. I think their system saved these files in alphabetical order.
Yes.
Yeah, for example, we have straight lines. It's very easy method. Yesterday I did in a different method, which is long method. Yeah, good, very good. Yeah, and these files are very useful for Ritik also.
Yes.
Tried to extract these files from his mobile, but
Yes, sir.
it's not possible to download to get these files in mobile.
Yes, it won't open in mobile. Even for me, it's not opening.
Yeah,
After my laptop.
yeah, should have device. Yeah, excellent definitions, sir. Yeah, whenever you have time, extract some files because these are many files, 11th and 12th.
Yes, sir.
We will send Hrithik. And I asked Hrithik, yeah, actually, these are paid files. From North Indian institutions, and I asked Hrithik to send these files to all his friends, as many as possible, because it will be useful.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, whenever you have time, you can extract files and choose some chapters and get the files from it and go through it. Very interesting, and points are. Last time I told you I am writing notes for chapters,
Yes.
but
Yes.
these are more than that notes. All points are given and separately. And one thing, we had files, that means limits and parabola, like that. We had all files, but the format of that files and these PPTs are different. Uh, when we go through PPTs, we get more clarity.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very good, good idea. See, have you understood this table?
Yes.
This table is to say when x approaches 2, f of x approaches 4.
Or
Yeah, see, when x approaches, x tends to 2, f of x tends to 4.
yes.
From the graph, we can easily observe that when x approaches 2, from the left or right, f of x approaches 4. Left right means, there is very importance from left and right. 1.9, 1.9, and these are left from left side, approaching from left side. 2.1, 2.01, 2.001, these are approaching from right side.
Yes, sir.
We taught later. Yeah, right hand and left hand limits also there. Actually, it is the definition of limit with graph. Some important definitions. Yeah, it's about modulus. What you call modulus? Absolute value.
Absolute value. Yes, sir.
I told something. Your professor gave sent some files, zip files.
My professor from college, sir, not from my school. So I don't know who exactly it is.
College. Yeah. Ask, send some zip files to unzip, to extract files.
They just upload it. I told you about dual credits, no, sir. It's in the dual credit class that they upload the stuff, and I have to like extract it to see what is in there. Otherwise, I can.
Yeah, you can send these files to your friends also. No problem. I don't
Yes.
have a problem. If you send whatever to them, and I request you to send a unit circle class to your friends, because as you need to understand what is unit circle, they also need to understand unit circle.
Yes.
It might have helped them. It may be helpful to us also,
Yes.
because we will get US views,
Yes. Sir.
which are very valuable in the field of YouTube.
Yes. Sir.
Send them and tell them that you have a conversational interaction in this class.
Yes. Sir.
Bring this system to technician. One thing is disk is full. I put it
This.
down, and sometimes it stops. Monitor stops, and automatically it covers. Yeah. Anyhow, yeah, it's the definition of step function intervals. Yeah, these are about intervals and the definition. Um, and study whatever points we need and whatever points we can understand.
Yes.
If you feel some points are uh, difficult to understand, just skip. We will discuss them later. There is an interesting theorem in limits in our chapter. It is called sandwich theorem.
Sandwich theory.
In my school days, that means in my study days, when my teacher told sandwich theorem, started to sense to tell sandwich theorem, I thought I don't know about sandwich in my school days, in my study days,
Yes.
because in India we can see sandwich hardly, especially in villages. Villagers still now, most of the villagers don't know about sandwich. I didn't think it was a food item. Yeah, I thought sandwich theory means sandwich might be maybe a name of a mathematician. The theorem was invented by mathematician named Sandwich. I thought so, but it is a sandwich theorem. Sandwich theorem means the format of sandwich. It has there is something omelette or something like inserted between two buns.
Yes.
Like that, three functions are h of x is inserted between f of x and g of x.
Yes.
If f of x is less than or equal to h of x is less than or equal to g of x on a delicate neighborhood of a and limit extends to a f of x is equal to g of x equal to L, then limit h of x to L. Yeah, have a look at this and we will use it further improving some formulae. Okay, this is just a brief introduction. These are the formulae. Yeah, do you remember we had this? We had this
Yes.
discussion.
Yes.
Yeah, in finding the values of limits, sometimes it is very interesting. We had the same discussion previously. That's
Yes.
about indeterminate forms.
Yes.
In finding the values of limits, sometimes we obtain the following forms. See, do you remember at that time? This point, discuss this point. Infinity minus infinity.
Undefined.
Infinity
Undefined.
It can't be 0. Generally, we get 0 when we subtract a value from same value.
Yes, sir.
But here infinity minus infinity is not a zero, not 0. And no one knows what's the value of infinity minus infinity. The same way 0 power 0, 1 to the power of infinity, and 0 by 0, infinity by infinity, 0 times infinity. Don't say that 0 times infinity is 0, not infinity. Got it?
Sir, but any number to 0 is 0, no, sir?
No, 0 to the power of 0 is indeterminate form. Yeah, we will discuss.
Oh, sir, but I'm talking about 0 times infinite is also 0, no, sir? Because any number with 0 when multiplied is 0.
Except infinity. We should say except infinity, because infinity times infinity, sorry, 0 times infinity cannot be 0 nor infinity. Yeah, because these are complicated and no one knows its values. That's why these are treated as indeterminate forms. I will tell the reason to say why these are indeterminate forms, and have a look at them and read out the indeterminate forms.
In finding the value of limits, sometimes we apply the following forms: 0 by 0, infinite by infinity, 0 times infinity, infinity minus infinity, 0 to the power 0, 1 to the power infinity, which are not determined. These forms are known as indeterminate.
Can you tell it the answer?
Limit tends to 2. So what is 2 minus?
Yeah, I will tell. But for now, you can take it as 2 only.
Okay.
Just insert 2 in the place of x in the given function.
0, sir?
Yeah, 0 correct answer. Option?
Option 3.
Right.
Intelligent neighborhood of
Yeah, it's about sandwich theorem. We will be discussing next later.
L, sir?
Yeah, correct only. You know about sandwich theorem?
No, sir, I don't. I just guessed on it.
Right, correct only. Yeah, you can solve it.
X minus 3 times x plus 3.
You don't have to factorize it.
Wait. Yes, sir. You don't have.
You have to factorize. We get 0 by 0. Here,
Is it 0? Is the answer 0, sir?
correct only, because we don't have problem if it is 0 by something.
Yes, sir.
If it is 0 by 0, it is not 0 by 0, it is 0 by some value.
Value. Yes.
Option?
Option 2, sir.
Right. It's over. Yeah, just look at this question.
Limit a x to the power p minus a to the power p x to the power q minus a to the power q.
Why it's saying like this? Because the disk is not sufficient to open it.
Yes, I think so, sir.
Due to diskful, it may show like this.
So what if we click the first side? Just click it, so let's see if it's adding the first letter.
Yeah, it is new file. It shows new file.
So it's product activation failed, sir. You need to remove it. Remove it completely, sir. Remove the PowerPoint completely.
Okay.
Don't say. And open it again, sir.
File 3. Same problem. Yeah, it's not.
1 second, sir. Let me check. So no, sir. There's nothing in the PDF.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir. It says click to add first. Limit to.
It was not downloaded or it was not saved properly, I think.
Yes, sir. Something is wrong with that. Maybe.
It was third. Now we can extract from here also. Right click. Just open. Yes. Yeah. That time it was not saved properly. Without knowing this problem, I asked the sender to send the file again. There was a problem in file in their file, but the problem is not with their file. It is a problem with my system. Oh, right, thanks. Actually, right. How to get back to this file? You know,
Get back.
the previous file of this slide.
So the folder. Yes, sir.
Limits. Surely, when we see the concepts and definitions in PPT format, it has impact on our mind. Yeah, do it.
So is it 9? 3 times 3, 9.
Yeah, 3 times 3 9. Yeah, very good. Answer is 9 only. Yeah, tell.
-3, sir.
3 to 3. Very good. try this.
3 by 3 minus 4 negative 1 plus 5 negative 4. So 3 by 4?
3 by 4. Your answer is 3 by 4.
Think so, sir. I didn't put it on the paper. Okay.
Yeah, good. This one?
So 0, sir.
No, not 0.
No. Sorry. Negative 1 by 4.
Negative 1 by 4.
Yes, sir.
Good. Yeah, it's very interesting. It's very challenging question. Can you do it?
Yes, sir.
First of all, I suggest you to factorize the denominator.
So just factorize it, sir, or should I just substitute it?
Denominator. No. When we substitute x is equal to 1, we will get 0 by 0, 0 by 0 form. Whenever we get 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity, we need to set for other ways. Instead of
Yes.
substituting, instead of plugging in directly. Yeah, just factorize the denominator.
Yes, sir.
What's the denominator?
2x square plus 3x minus 2x minus 3. 1 second, sir.
Yeah, go on.
Plus 3. 2x plus 3. So 2x plus 3 and x minus 1. Sir.
Next, multiply numerator and denominator by root factor, rationalizing factor of root x minus 1. That is root x plus 1. Multiply numerator and denominator by root x plus 1.
Root x plus 1 by root x plus 1.
Yeah, you will get the numerator in the form of a minus b into a plus b.
Yes, sir. X square x minus 1 by 2x plus 3 times root x. Root x plus 1.
Now,
2x minus 1 times x minus 1.
yeah, very good. Then what happens? Two x minus 1 times x minus 1. Whole by over 2x
Plus 3
x.
x.
Yeah, x minus 1 times root x plus 1.
X plus 1. X minus 1 gets cancelled.
Then onwards, we can plug in 1.
Yes, sir.
We won't
2
get
minus 1, 2 times. One by 5 times 2. So 1 by 10. What?
1 by
10s.
2 times 1 minus 1. That is 1. 1 by
1 by 10s.
yes. Yeah, instead of multiplying numerator and denominator by root x plus 1, they factorize the denominator x minus 1 as root x plus 1 into root x minus 1.
Yes.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, do it. What should we do? First of all, factorize numerator.
Yeah, right. Yes. 8
So, multiply numerator and denominator by root x plus 2.
minus 8x plus 1 minus 4. So it's x minus 4 times 2x plus 1.
X minus 4 times. Yeah, x minus 4, right?
Yes, sir. 2x plus 1.
And next, multiply numerator and denominator by root x plus 2.
So minus 2. No? Oh, plus 2, yes. X minus 2. X minus 2. Yes, sir.
Answer.
1 second. Sir, will it not be the same as what they showed, sir? How are the options gonna be?
It is a descriptive questions, not multiple choice questions. What's your answer?
So I got till the third step, sir. I don't know what to do.
Yeah, root x minus 2, root x minus 2 get cancelled.
Okay. Yes, sir, I did that. Now we substitute it, sir.
Yeah, root x
Okay.
equal to 2 to the 4, 4 plus 1, 5. Got it?
5 times root 2 plus 2. 4 minus. So it's the same answer, no, sir?
Yeah. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we did this sum. Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
We did same question.
Yes, sir.
Rationalizing the numerator. The process called. Yeah, now we will do it in our method. Yeah, let's have discuss this in our page.
Yes.
Yeah, note that question. We are going to a new page.
X plus 1 minus
Step by step only, not at once.
x equals 2 by 3. Yeah.
Yeah, I think it was copied. No, it was not there. Before that, let us solve this sum. Yeah, first let us solve that sum. Yeah, tell that question.
So, cube root x plus 1.
Limit extends to 0, I think.
Yes, sir.
Cube root of x plus 1. Okay.
Minus cube root of x minus 1.
Over.
Whole over x.
Right. You know, last time, if we had something, root a minus root b or root a plus root b in numerator and denominator, we multiplied both the numerator and denominator by root a plus b, root a plus root b. Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
This is called rationalization. In the next step, we will get a square minus b square. A square means root a whole square a, b square means root b whole square b, right?
Yes, sir.
It is called a rationalization. It is called
Rationalization.
in the course of rationalizing a value, we multiplied with the rationalizing factor. Rationalizing factor of root a minus root b is root a plus root b, vice versa. Rationalizing factor of root a plus root b is root a minus root b. Because in this process, in this multiplication, we get this type of value, a minus b. Free from roots. We'll get the result free from roots, right?
Yes, sir.
But in case of cube root a minus cube root b, it will be no use if we multiply it by cube root a plus cube root b. You know why? There is no use doing this operation. Because it is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b formula?
A
Yes.
square minus b square.
That means cube root a whole square minus cube root b whole square. You know, here we got a minus b because its answer is root a whole square minus root b whole square. From this step, root a whole square minus root b whole square, we got a minus b, right?
Yes.
Because square root and square are cancelled. But here cube root and square cannot be cancelled. It is cube root, it is a square. So this process is not applicable when there is cube root. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
There should be another method for cube roots. Square root is just taking its opposite side between them. So I will tell you a formula. To cancel square root, we need whole square. Get the point? What
Yes,
the, to cancel root, that means square root, we need whole square. That's why previously we used this formula. A square minus b square is equal to a minus b times a plus b, right? It is used to cancel root, square root, right? But if we sometimes we need to cancel cube. For it, there is a special formula that is called a cube minus b cube. Do you know there is a formula for a cube minus b cube?
Yes, sir.
A minus b times not a plus b.
Where?
A square plus ab plus b square.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. By using this formula, we can factorize now. What is a here? What is b here? A is x plus 1.
Yes, sir.
B is x minus 1. So instead of multiplying cube root of x plus 1 plus cube root of x minus 1 on numerator and denominator, we use this formula. With the help of this formula, we need to multiply with something else. Tell what is its rationalizing factor of a minus b is a square plus ab plus b square, right?
Yes, sir.
Tell what is a square? Cube root of x plus whole square.
Root plus 1 whole square.
Very good. After that,
That's
plus ab. Ab means cube root of x plus 1 times cube root of x minus 1. AB.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Cube root of x plus 1. AB. Cube root of x plus 1 times cube root of x minus 1. Got it?
Yes, sir.
plus b square means cube root of x minus 1 whole square. Got it?
Yes.
We need to multiply with the same term in denominator also. Cube root of x plus 1 whole square. Cube root of x plus 1 times got it?
Yes.
You know, a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square is equal to a cube minus b cube. So the numerator is in the form of a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. Got it? Apply this formula for the numerator. Limit extends to 0. A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square equal to a minus b.
A cube minus b cube.
A cube minus b cube. What is a here? A is cube root of x plus 1. A cube,
Yes.
cube root of x plus 1 whole cube.
Minus cube root of x minus 1 whole cube.
Very good. Denominator is same. X into same. Now, what is cube root of x plus 1 whole cube? Cube root of x plus 1 whole cube is there. Cube root of
Oh, x plus 1.
x plus 1 minus of x minus 1, right? You know, when we have minus before a bracket, terms in the bracket will be changed. Signs of the terms in the bracket will be changed. So see, minus of x minus 1. What is minus of x minus 1?
Minus of x minus 1.
X plus 1. Got it?
Minus x plus 1. Yes.
So it is minus x plus 1 by x into same bracket. What happens to the numerator?
Minus x plus
Plus x get cancelled. We left with
0 by some.
not 0, 1,
Oh, 2 steps.
2 by got it?
Yes.
Now plug in 0 because x tends to 0. We can plug in 0 in the place of x. See what happens 2 by. Sorry, it is 2x. 2x. X plus 1 minus x plus 1. Is there x in the denominator? Yeah. Is it x plus 1 minus of x minus 1? X should be cancelled. Check the question. It might be 1 minus x, I think. Are you sure?
So check.
1 plus x, 1 minus x or what?
Say minus. So it's equals 2 by 3. That's it.
Of course. Before left side to it, is it cube root of x plus 1 minus x
Minus 3 cube root of x minus 1 by x.
What about this symbol?
Minus.
Minus or plus?
Minus. I think so. Can you check?
Minus cube root of x minus 1.
Yes, sir.
Is it x minus 1 or 1 minus x?
X minus 1.
Yeah. There is a mistake in it. That should be 1 minus x. Then the numerator will be 2x. There is a mistake in the question. X is cancelled and finally we will get 2 by 3. But there is a mistake in that question. Let me show that question. Yeah, they use a different method. Even though minus 1 plus x, 2x by 3, of course. I have to check this question. I think it is 1 minus x. Instead of x minus 1, it should be 1 minus x, I think. Okay. These are about trigonometry. Yeah. First of all, I will give you some formula briefly. Did we do this sum? No?
Yes. I think we did it that day.
Answer is?
Option 2 or something, sir. I don't remember.
How did we do?
So we first rationalize the denominator.
Denominator and numerator. Yeah, yeah, I think
We raised the
we
denominator.
did similar sum, not the same sum.
Okay. I think I got confused.
You know, it can be written as limit x tends to 1. This is a square minus b square, which means root x minus 1 times root of x plus 1. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Root of a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. So, root of x square minus 1 can be written as root of x minus 1 into root of x plus 1, right? And plus root of x minus 1. Denominator also can be written same way. Understood this step?
Yes.
Denominator is root of x minus 1 into root of x plus 1. Numerator is root of x minus 1 into root of x plus 1 plus root of x minus 1. Got it?
Yes, sir.
What is common factor in the numerator?
X minus 1 and x minus 1.
Yeah, root of x minus 1. Root of x minus 1 is common factor. That is root of x plus 1 plus 1, right? Whole by denominator is same.
Root x minus 1, root x plus 1.
What should be done? Continue this sum.
We root x plus 1.
Now plug in 1.
Yes. 2, 3.
3. Not 3.
So numerator 1 plus 1. Oh, root 2.
Root of 1 plus 1.
Root 2 by 1 by. That's root 2, sir.
Yes. Now split that function.
Yes, sir. So it will be 1 plus 1 by root 2.
Very good option.
Option 1, sir. What? Yes, I don't think I can put there.
Right, sir.
Can do it.
Yeah. Let's go through that file today.
Yes.
Problem with monitor. It stops every few seconds. Yeah. By chance today I will change. I will get new monitor. Yeah. Go through that files and I will send you this PDF file also today. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you, Tanika. See you in the next class. Good night.